Yes, guys, welcome back, guys. Today, I think that I'm going to show here is very special. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can hack, how you can unlock, how you can unblock, and how you can withdraw $1,000 from this account on TrustWallet that I'm going to show right now. I will show how to receive and withdraw these $1,000 direct to your own wallet, okay, on TrustWallet. That's why I create a new wallet here on my TrustWallet. You can see with zero amount, so then you can see specific amount arrive here on this wallet. So let's go step by step and don't skip in part of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, okay. Let's go ahead right now and do this, withdraw this $1,000. Let's go, follow me. The first step, of course, you will need it, go to your app store. Okay, go to your app store, okay, and search for Trust Wallet. If you don't have wallet, download. I won't update because it will take time. Download the Trust Wallet, okay, done. After you download your Trust Wallet, then click on settings, okay, click on settings, and click here on plus, click on add existing wallet, click on seed first, okay, move icon wallet, then put 1,000 here, and then after you see here you need the seed phrase to get this $1,000. So go to my Telegram channel, let me paste here the seed phrase with the 1,000 is this one, okay, copy, go back to here, paste, done, to store wallet, okay, click on done, click here, low, then click here to add the USDT BEP20 Tron, use Tron, go back, find the $1,200, okay, $1,200. So how we can do, don't skip in part, let's go to the another step. Once again, go back again to Play Store and download Tron link. Tron link. Open. Make sure you have the last version from Tron link below. Okay? Make sure you have the last version. Okay. Here on Tron link, you can see I have this wallet. So let's delete this wallet. About us, if you have zero wallet, how we do that? Oh, let me put my password here. Click on import new wallet, paste the seed phrase, okay, go back again to Telegram channel, copy, if you didn't copy again, copy and paste here, click on next, let's go, the name, you can see 1,000, done. Let me set the password. Let me repeat. So follow all these steps, ne? Confirm, import, okay, done. You can see we have the 1,000 again. Okay, you can see specific thing here. Let's go back here to TrustWallet. You can see you want unable to send or to receive money from this wallet because it's blocked. So we do unblock now. If you click here, we're able to send and receive. So let's follow me. Okay, let's click here, send, and Click yes. Okay. Then go back to the wallet that we created on the beginning of the video. So make sure you created this embed wallet. You are one. You yeah, I have a lot of wallets. You need to to create a embed wallet. Where is this wallet? Oh my god! Yeah, it's here. Let me copy, or back, and the past. Sorry. Uh, Before we pass, you need to click one of these wallets. Click on next, go back again, and pass your wallet. Then click on next. You click on the first wallet. You can see maximum amount I can send right now is $15. So click on send. We wait. Okay. Confirm. Confirm. Put password. Confirm. Done. Sign in. So we waited 24 hours for this amount arriving, and then we go back to the wallet that we created on TrustWallet to check our amount after 24 hours. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.